Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones Sony XM6 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Now click the search line at the top and write Sony. Then search, and you should install this application, what called Sony Sound Connect. Now open it. Right here, select your region first, and then click I read. Start. Right here you need to click at the next at the right top bottom, then agree, agree, agree. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. It's up to you. And right here I'm going to ask app not to track, but you can allow it if it's okay for you. Right here you need to click allow. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll show you how to add your device to the application. So if you don't know how, you can watch that video. See you later!